Hi everyone, thanks for coming to our Keep Calm and Craft On today. Today we are doing Kintsugi coasters. K-I-N is means to repair with, and then Sugi, S-U-G-I, is gold. So this is all to repair with gold. There's no two alike. They're both different. Now we have glue. It's a Loctite super glue. It works pretty well with this. You have a plain white tile. You can pick those up at Lowe's, Home Depot, anything that's left over from your remodels. A brown paper bag. We have liquid gilding, and it's in gold. It's the whole purpose of it. And you can pick that up anywhere. We have cork. Okay, and we also need a hammer. So we're going to place our coaster inside of the brown paper sack. And then you are going to hit the tile. You can hit it as many times as you would like. And when it comes out, it will look like a puzzle. Okay, so once you figured it out, you're going to take your gold, liquid gilding, and your paintbrush. So you're just going to paint the sides of the cracks. You're going to take your super glue, and if you would prefer to use a different type of glue, that is fine. I just know that super glue works really well with this as well. And just make sure that you do not get it on your fingers. You do not want to be stuck to your tiles. And you'll need to hold them in place for just a minute or two. And voila, we have glued it all together. And we're going to make sure it's good and set before we continue on real quick. And just a quick tip, if you get an alcohol swab or a Q-tip with the alcohol on it, it does take off the gold if it does smear on there. So just be careful not to wipe off all the gold. Okay, so you're going to flip your tile over, and you can take a hot glue gun and some cork or felt if you have that around, and you are going to hot glue it onto the back of your tile. Make sure and press it. It doesn't take very long for it to set. And when you are finished, you just flip it back over, and there it is. It is done. And when you are finished, you can also use a sealer to spray over the top of it. Alright, and there you go. You've got your pretty coaster to set a mug on.